Hello kids, welcome to our channel Simple Grammar. Our today's topic is pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. We already know about the noun. These are the naming words, the boy, girl, the animal, the places. But the question is how it replaces the noun. We need to see some examples. It's a boy. Boy is a noun and we replace it with he. Now Sarah. Sarah is a girl. We replace Sarah with she. The noun Sarah with the pronoun she. Now these are more. Sam and Sarah. These are two. So we replace it neither with he nor with she. It's they. For the animals we use it. The lion changes into it. Now look at some more examples. Sam is playing in the park. Instead of saying Sam is enjoying, we will say he is enjoying. So to avoid repetition, we replace the noun with the pronoun. Boys are playing in the water. They are swimming since they are more. Sarah is sitting in a restaurant. She is a girl. So therefore we use she. She is eating. Sarah and she. People are sitting together. They are working. People will be changed into they. Children are celebrating. Children are more. So we use they are looking very happy. Now here is a chart. You can see these are the personal pronouns. The first person, second person and third person. You have to remember this in future. This will help you to learn the tenses and the other things. So first person is I and we, the person who is talking, whether it's a singular or a plural, it's first person. The person who they are talking to are the second person, and the person who is not present there is the third person. Hope it's clear.